they close down these things every Sunday now for bikes or bicycles. God damn it. Well, that ruined my plan of where to go. I'm on my way to get brake pads actually, but I was gonna take a little cruise while I went up there. I guess they got the... Oh man, that means they have all the other parkways closed. Oh, this just turned into a boring ride to get brake pads. I don't know what's worse, speeding up ridiculously to get through a yellow, or if you run the red. I'm pretty sure that van ran the red anyway. This is the intersection I got hit on my old bike. Right there. I was just waiting at the light. There's I don't know if you can see the bumps that I rode over, but I was in the right-hand lane. And the intersection's always been kind of sketchy when you're going full speed through it, because it's kind of blind, goes over and there's bumps. So I just didn't feel like hitting all the bumps. And there's a car turning right, so I slowed down for the car, and then I ended up hitting the red. So I just ended up waiting there. And then when I went, I was about halfway-ish through the intersection, and some car just flies through, no care in the world, straight through the red and T-bones me. I'll throw a picture up. Pretty sure I still got a picture. I don't have a video or anything. Yeah, she was an elderly lady and she admitted to it, so that was good. She was more in shock than I was. She had a complete stunned look on her face, like what the fuck just happened? She had no clue. Should I go up Prince of Wales? Let's go up Prince of Wales. This road, go by the little Hogsback Falls. Oh my god. Why is there traffic up here? What is wrong with this city? My god, it's a weekend. Yeah, we're not, no. No. I am not waiting for that. We're turning around here and we're going back the less trafficy way. The Duckity Pringley. I always think the X on the Scrambler is the X Games logo. Wonder if let me drive one. Probably not. Yeah, come to a Honda dealership for Suzuki parts. I'm pretty sure just generic brake pads anyway. Oh, they didn't have brakes. I'll go hit up a different place tomorrow when everything's open. I'm gonna try to find a place to wash this though. I was talking to some guy looking to getting a new bike. I was looking at an R6 at first. Then I went and sat on the CBR, and that thing feels much more similar to the SV that I'm currently riding. So kind of leaning more towards the SV, or the CBR, sorry. This place should be not too far from here. Oh, I just realized I'm going the wrong goddamn way. Ugh. Oh, gross. but she's somewhat clean now. The grease was so bad, like I couldn't even get it all off.